I really appreciate it. And so I won't hold us too long because I know that we have to get moving with the program. We have some folks here who have work to do, also have some homework to do, Linda, so we promise to get out of church on time today. Amen. Amen. Thank you, George, for being here, and thank you so much, Amy, for visiting with us on today. And for all of you who have made this place a very special place, Reverend Kind's wife in the back and children, raise your hand to be recognized. Amen. We're so happy to have you in the house of the Lord. Amen. And thank God for my dear friend, Reverend Adam Kind, who you all will have an opportunity to hear on today, who's going to deliver a very powerful word from God. And so I look forward to hearing him again. It's always a treat. Amen. Gifts are always nice, right? And it reads, Reverend Herring Keon Gaston, the congregation of Summerfield United Methodist Church welcomes you with open hearts, open minds, and open door. May the Lord guide you like he did with Joshua to lead the children of Israel to the promised land. 2 Timothy 2:25. That's a large charge, but I'm willing to do it. Amen. Thank you. At this time, we will pass the peace, and so you turn to your neighbor.
There's no difference what the problem is. I think go to God in church. Yes, I have. Blessed assurance. I think go to God in church. He will take my moon and Sunday, perfect education. He will never forsake me. I Yes, he can. Oh, I know without a doubt. I know without a doubt. Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Oh, he'll brighten up your way each and every day. Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Oh, I can call him when I need him. Father, up in heaven. Your way each and every day. Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Oh, I can call him when I need him. Up in heaven, I can go on in prayer. I can go
He raised from above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He raised from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He raised from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He raised from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Say when he rolls up his sleeves, he ain't just putting on a red tie. Our God is an awesome God. There's thunder in his footsteps and lightning in his face. Our God is an awesome God. If God wasn't joking when he put him out of Eden, shed his blood, Christ coming soon, so you better be believing. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. So when the sky was blue and the wine of the night, our God is an awesome God. He spoke into the darkness and created the light. Our God is an awesome God. Judgment and wrath he poured out inside of mercy and grace he gave us at the cross. I hope that we have learned to where we were taught. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God.
Y'all can take it from this. Thank you.